Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone is shaping up to be a major upgrade compared to its predecessors, and it's packed with features that will thrill any tech lover. From a brand new design and improved cameras to a faster processor and even more RAM, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to raise the bar. So let's explore what makes this phone so special. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its RAM. According to reliable tipster at Universes, Samsung's next flagship could have a variant with a hopping 16 gigabytes of RAM. While this isn't the first time Samsung has offered such high memory, remember the Galaxy S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra? It marks a return to form after the Galaxy S22 Ultra and newer models capped out at 12 gigabytes. Why is this significant? High RAM is a game changer, especially for heavy multitaskers and AI tasks. With more memory, devices can perform AI tasks faster, given other factors remain constant. This upgrade is a big deal for anyone looking to future-proof their device or push it to its limits. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which boasts Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. These cores are already making waves in laptops powered by the Snapdragon X Elite chipset, and now they're coming to smartphones. This next-gen processor is also rumored to include a much more powerful GPU, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a beast for gaming and other intensive tasks. With this combination of high RAM and a powerful processor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to offer a smooth and responsive user experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using advanced AI features. Samsung's Galaxy S series has always been known for its camera capabilities, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. The phone is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, accompanied by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. This setup promises versatile photography options from ultra-wide shots to detailed, zoomed-in images. However, it's important to note that while the camera hardware is impressive, the real magic often lies in the software. Samsung's image processing and AI-driven enhancements are likely to play a big role in how these cameras perform in real-world conditions. When it comes to battery life and charging, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to maintain the status quo with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging. While these specs are solid, they don't represent a significant upgrade from previous models. It's a bit of a letdown for those hoping for faster charging speeds or larger battery capacities, but 45-watt fast charging is still quite efficient for daily use. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with Android 15 Base 1 UI 7.1. This new software version is expected to bring a fresh design and possibly more powerful Galaxy AI features. Samsung's One UI has been praised for its user-friendly interface and customization options, and we can expect these strengths to continue with the new version. As for the release date, Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 series in January 2025. This aligns with their typical launch schedule and gives us just a few more months to wait. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting release with significant upgrades in RAM, processing power, and camera capabilities. While some areas like battery and charging may not see drastic improvements, the overall package is still compelling for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone experience. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the RAM upgrade or the new camera system? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, Bigger displays and larger battery might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.